It's all wrong. Help me. Where should I put this red ball? Here, in watermelon. Correct. Now this blue ball, it goes to this blueberry. Let's find a place for this yellow ball. Oh, here. It's from a pineapple. Where to put the green ball? You're right. In the star fruit. Do you know where to put this purple ball? Correct again. In this dragon fruit. Now help me with this brown ball. Oh, I think it goes into avocado. Next is this pink ball. Where does it go? We got it. In the strawberry. Last ball is orange. It's easy. It goes into orange. Thank you so much for helping me. Let's play colors and counting game together. Let's see how many green rings are hiding under the star fruit. 1, 2. 2 green rings. Up next is red watermelon. 1, 2, 3. 3 red rings. Let's look under this orange. Oh no! There are 0 orange rings here. What's hiding under this dark blue blueberry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dark blue rings. What about this yellow pineapple? Only 1 yellow ring. Let's look under this pink strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pink rings. Let's learn color sorting in fruits. Where will this blue letter Q go? That's right, in blueberry. What about this green number 5? It goes to a green star fruit. And this yellow fish goes to a pineapple. Correct. Where should we put this pink square? In strawberry. Great job. What about this red letter U? It goes to a red watermelon. And this red ring, it also goes into a watermelon. Pink letter H goes to a strawberry. Green hexagon goes to a green star fruit. Orange number 2 is from an orange. This dark blue ring goes to a blueberry. Yellow number 1 goes to a pineapple. Last orange circle goes into an orange.